guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mimi from Afford Your Beauty store, and today I'll be showing you guys how I did this French nail extension within just 1 minute. Many of you have requested to show me how I apply fake nails, so here's the tutorial. Let's get started with the video. Here I am using this brush on nail glue for applying fake nails. So first you need to choose the nail size according to your own nail size, and then I am applying this nail glue directly on my own nail, and then I am pressing the fake nail against my own nail for about 20 seconds, and I am done with applying one fake nail. Let's do the others. You can also apply the glue directly on the fake nail and apply the fake nail on your own nail like I did before. Yeah, like this. So let's do the other nails also. Done with applying all the fake nails. Look how beautiful and natural this looks. You are getting 6 color variant of this product. You can check the link in the description box for order. Also, I'll add my WhatsApp number. You can order directly there. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Afford Your Beauty and like, comment and share this video as much as you can.